Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly make a body slimmer only by using CapCut. So in CapCut, there is a feature where you can make your body look slimmer either in a video or photos, but here I'm using a photo as an example. So if you want to do it, you can just click on your clip or on your videos here on a timeline. Swipe until you find retouch. Click on that. Click on allow. Now click on the body because I'm going to make the body look slimmer. So there are two options. You can do it automatically or manually. Let's try the auto first. So you can just swipe and let's try to make the waist look slimmer. So just swipe to the right like this and it will make you can see on this parts right here there will be a string. Okay, you can also try the body. You can see it will make your body look smaller like that. And let's try to use it to use the manual. Click on manual and here click on slim. Adjust the position on which part that you want to make slimmer. Okay, I'm going to go with here and just swipe to the right just like that. Click on the check icon when you're done and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, also click on the thanks. Thank you.